Corin is a leading manufacturer of designer lingerie. Corin's products are inspired by the traditions of French pattern designing, and thus Corin collaborates with well-known lingerie designers from France. Corin lingerie collections are well received all over the world, from Asia to America. About 70% of sales are sent abroad. Corin specializes in bras, especially for women of larger size. An ill-fitted or poorly manufactured bra can cause serious health problems. A mismatched bra, most often too tight or with underwires, which press the skin and the whole mammary gland, resulting in some sort of lymphatic drainage disorders. Also, edema can occur, sometimes even inflammation. A bra should fit well, and it should be neither too tight nor too loose. To create a perfect bra requires not only the best design and manufacturing technology, but also the best pattern. To achieve this goal, Corin Company has prepared a revolutionary program. Its ambition to create such a shape of bra that would not only be aesthetically pleasing to our clients, but would be the perfect bra, comfortable and healthy. The ambition of our company is to produce perfect bras, which will fit, be most comfortable, pleasurable to wear. If the gauge is too small, the bra is too tight, the underwires pinch a woman's breast, then the temperature in this area is significantly increased, which can be hazardous, especially during a prolonged use. A modified bra shape was developed by Corin's constructors and engineers from the Technical University of Łódź. Professor Marek Zadrożny, head of Oncological Surgery and Breast Diseases Clinic in the Polish Mother Memorial Hospital Research Institute, was overseeing the project. The multi-stage research took over a year. The project started by specifying pressure points on a 3D model of the female chest. This was done by a high-tech professional computer program used in digital simulations. Based on that data, the team designed the first models of the new bra. Afterwards, the team carefully examined the bra's cap projection and performed yet another 3D simulation. This led directly to designing an improved bra. A computer simulation was made on the basis of these interactions between the surface of a bra and a woman's body. There were chosen adequate dimensional changes in the projection, in the shape and the size of the bras. These bras were modified, and later we will test whether indeed these shapes and these dimensions are optimal. It is intended that the results can be used as a guideline for manufacturers. The bra was tested by a group of women of varying age and breast size. Young women, as well as mothers, took part in the test. Engineers from the Technical University used top-of-the-line thermal imaging cameras and special computer systems to compare the results with computer simulations. It was a success. The colors that appeared here are the colors of the body temperature. That is, where there is a lot of pressure, where there was friction between the surface of the bra and the body. The color is red, that is, the temperature is higher. The pressure caused by a bad choice of a bra caused increased pressure on the body, which is shown here by a red color. In numerical studies, we showed that too small a bra causes too much pressure on the body, and at the same time it is quite dangerous for women. The thermovision turned out to be a useful method here to visualize changes in blood supply and thereby the changes of the temperature of the skin of the mammary gland. From our experiments, we have clear evidence that wearing tight bras causes large temperature differences within the skin of the breast. It depends on the type of the breast size, on the shape of the breast as well as the body fat in women. A similar situation occurs with an overly loose bra. There is friction, and by friction there are warmer areas and cooler areas. For example, areas with a greater or lesser blood circulation. It is important to know the technology of making suitable bras, and thermographic studies appear to be very useful research. These are not merely subjective feelings of a woman surveyed, but in an objective manner tell us whether the product has been manufactured correctly and whether it is adequate for the appropriate type of a female breast. As a specialist in oncological surgery, I have to say that there are no studies that would indicate the development of breast cancer caused by using an unsuitable bra. Nevertheless, the correct choice is extremely important, and not only to prevent future complications, such as a disorder of the lymphatic system, inflammation or swelling, but also to live in greater comfort. The research turned out to be successful. The new bra's projection and shape evenly distributed the pressure applied to the breast. The research bears fruit by supplying the healthiest bras, those that do not cause unnecessary pressure and at the same time are most comfortable. Corin is applying this innovative technology in its new line of lingerie.